Yeah, yo, man, everybody acting like the future's already sold. Charts go straight up, suddenly every story's gold. Now I seen this rhythm, don't tell me it's brand new. Different logo on the screen, same crowd, same view. AI changed everything, yeah, maybe it will. But why'd you already price 10 years of success into the bill? That's the part that gets me, not the tech, the expectations. Y'all bought tomorrow's victory with today's valuations. Look, I'm not saying AI ain't real. Come on, man, that's too easy. I'm saying everybody suddenly forgot what risk means. Price ain't value, never has been. If earnings blink one quarter, those multiples start slimming. Everybody talks like growth only knows one direction. Funny, reality still reserves the right to make corrections. Nah, the companies can still be great, that's not my point. Great businesses lose plenty of money when people overpay for them. Yo, man, you hear a new era. I hear I've heard that before. You hear this one's different? Nah, that's usually my cue to look a little closer. Look, remember when everybody said just buy the chip makers? Then it was memory's the bottleneck. Every week somebody found another can't lose AI supplier. Yo, man, how'd that work out? Those charts looked invincible until they didn't. Funny how pickaxes and shovels only stay fashionable until everybody owns one. Nah, the first wave already made its money. Now people act like the second wave's guaranteed too. Now, everybody points at the mega caps. They'll monetize it, sure, eventually, maybe. But come on, man. Look at the spending, billions after billions. Data centers everywhere, GPUs stacked to the ceiling. Here's my question, when does the return show up? Not the press release, not the keynote, actual cash flow. Because capital expenditures are real, promises are cheap, and markets eventually learn the difference. Come on. I'm not rooting for disaster, that'd be stupid. I just don't trust crowds when they all sound exactly alike. Consensus is comfortable, markets usually aren't. Look, hope's valuable, delusion costs extra, there's a difference. Everybody keeps telling me, you just don't get AI. Nah, I get AI. I'm questioning the invoice. The suppliers already had their parade. Now the buyers are writing enormous checks, still waiting to prove those checks become profits. That's the part nobody wants to talk about. Everybody's counting GPUs, I'm counting returns. Everybody's celebrating spending, I'm wondering who's paying for it. So laugh if you want, call me early, call me boring. I've been called worse. I'd rather ask, when does this investment earn its keep? Than pretend the answer doesn't matter. Yo, man, I'm not fighting innovation, I'm fighting certainty. Technology changes the world, that doesn't mean every investment pays off. Remember that? Nah, that's all I came to say. Nah, that's all I came to say.
Right? So, everyone had a good vacation, huh? Well, Doomer, you must be feeling pretty good right about now.
Yo, man, nah. You really gonna do this again? Every rally's a bubble? Listen, I've heard that speech before. Yo, man, why you always predicting thunderstorms? If you keep doing rain dances, eventually it's gonna pour. Then you'll say, see? I told you. Nah, that's not exactly a victory. The world's been waiting for your recession longer than some bull markets last. Meanwhile, people kept working, companies kept earning, consumers kept spending. Funny how reality didn't read the script. Listen, nobody said AI's a guaranteed jackpot. Who says that? What I'm saying is, the biggest companies on earth didn't wake up one morning and accidentally spend hundreds of billions. Yo, man, you think they're all clueless? These aren't lottery tickets, they're building infrastructure. They're betting on the next decade, not the next quarter. That's a pretty big difference. Now, you keep looking for the ceiling, I'm looking at the foundation. You call it hype, I call it investment. Listen, those aren't always the same thing. Remember all those AI suppliers, chip makers, memory makers? Everybody called them
the pickaxe and shovel trade.
Cool, some ran too far, some got crushed, that's markets. But think about it, when the blades wear out, you don't stop mining, you buy better equipment. Technology doesn't stop because the first wave cooled off, it upgrades.
That's how progress works. Yo, man, you keep asking,
When do they make the money?
fair question, here's mine. When has America ever won a technology race? By sitting on cash? You don't build the future by waiting for certainty. You build it first, then everybody else tries to catch up. That's the game, always has been. Listen, no investment
Whatever,
comes
fine.
with the
Let's see
100%
who's right.
guarantee. Everybody knows that, but not investing, that's a decision too. And history's been pretty expensive for the people who kept waiting for the perfect moment. Nah, I'm not saying everything goes up forever. Corrections happen, bad quarters happen. Some companies fail, that's business. But zoom out, the market stumbles, then it builds, then it climbs again. That's been the story for generations. You see risk, I see opportunity. You count bubbles, I count breakthroughs. Yo, man, progress isn't free. Leadership isn't free when indefinitely isn't free. Somebody has to write the checks. I'd rather own the company. So building tomorrow than spend my life waiting to say I told you so. Listen, optimism isn't
Whatever.
pretending. Nothing can go wrong. It's believing. The people building the future usually figure something out. Nah, that's why I'm still buying